Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find apps.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab down to grade 10 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter quadratic equation. Let's just start with the quadratic functions. Find g of x, where g of x is the translation 8 of f of x equals x square. Translating a graph 8 unit up is equivalent to the function summation. So as g of x equals f of x plus 8. So g of x equals x square plus 8. Let's just start with the test questions. Find g of x, where g of x is the translation 8 units up for of f of x equals x square. That is x square plus option number 2 is the correct option. Find g of x, where g of x is the translation 5 unit up of f of x equals x square. X square plus 5 number 1 is the correct option. Find g of x, where g of x is the translation times up of x equals x squared. That is x squared plus 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find g of x, where g of x is the translation 1 unit down of f of x equals x squared. That is x squared minus 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Find g of x, where g of x is the translation 9 units down of f of x equals x squared. That is x squared minus 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. So equation using square roots. How many real solutions does the equation have? V square equals negative 59. V square equals negative 59. Square root of negative number is not a real number, right? Number squared can be negative, so this equation has no real solution. If x squared equals a positive number, there are two solutions. If x squared equals 0, there is one solution, the number 0. And if x squared is negative number, there are no solutions. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. How many real solutions does the equation have? V square equals negative 59. So negative number, the square root of the negative number is not real. So solution option number A is the correct option. How many real solutions does the equation have? Is p square equals negative 55. No real solution. Option number A is the correct option. W square equals 16. That is 4 and negative 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. How many real solutions does the equation have? No real solution. Option number A is the correct option. How many real solution does the equation have? W- Two real solutions. Solve for d. D square equals 49. That is 7 and negative 7. Option 2 is the correct option. Solve for r. R square equals 100. That is 10 and minus 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Move on to next lesson. An equation using the zero product property. Solve for v minus 1 equals 2. So v minus 1 equals 0 and 2v minus 9 equals 0. V equals 9 by 2. Let's just start with the test questions. V minus 1 equals 0. V minus 1 equals 0. So V equals 1. 2V minus 9 equals 0. 2V equals 9 and V equals. That is 1 and 9 by 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Solve for y. So y equals 0 and y equals negative 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Six t plus 1 and 3t minus 4 is 0. So that means either 60 plus 1 is 0 or either 3 minus 4 is 0. So t equals negative 1 by 6 and t 4 by 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Negative 1 by 6 and 4 by 3. 3d plus 8 and d plus 7 equals 0. Negative 8 by 3 and negative 7. Solve for h. 6h times 3h minus 1 equals 0. That is 0 and 1 by 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 7 over 6 and negative 1 over 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. S minus 4, 9s plus 2. 4 and negative 2 by 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Q minus 9 and q minus 5 equals 0. That is 9 and 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Complete the square. Complete the square. W squares minus w 20w. We need to add b over 2. This is b. That is 10 square. 10 square is 100. Let's just start with the test questions. W square minus 20w plus. That is 100. Option number 1 is the correct option. m square plus 18m plus the missing number. 9 by 2. You need to add b by 2 square. b is 18. That is 18 over 2. That is 9 square. So 9 square it is. That is 81. Option number 1 is the correct option. S square plus 20s plus the missing number. You need to add 10 square. That is 100. Option number 1 is the correct option. V square minus 18v. The correct option. 1 is the correct option. That is 81. Z square minus 8z plus missing number. So which number is missing? That is 16. Option number 1 is the correct option. G square minus 22g plus the missing number. That is 121. Option number 2 is the correct option. P square minus 10p plus 25. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is r square plus 24r plus 144 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later. So we were working on grade 10 math chapter is quadratic equations. The lessons functions solve a quadratic equation using square roots, solve an equation and complete the square. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please ask if you have any. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.